I've got all my reptile toys with me. Do you know their real secrets? Chameleon. Look, a chameleon toy. It changes colors to hide, just like you playing peekaboo behind the curtain. Tortoise. Here comes a slow tortoise. It carries its home on its back, just like your backpack on the way to preschool. Snake. Whoa, a slithery snake. It has no legs, but wiggles super fast, like you sliding across the kitchen floor. Gecko. This is a gecko. It sticks to walls and windows, just like your stickers on the fridge. Alligator. Look at that alligator toy. It's got big jaws and sharp teeth, like biting into a crunchy biscuit. Cobra. Here's a cobra. It stands tall and hisses, just like you blowing air through a straw. Lizard. A tiny lizard toy. It runs so fast, like you zooming to the playground. Frog. Meet a jumping frog. It leaps with strong legs, just like you bouncing on the trampoline. Snail. Here comes a slow snail toy. It carries a round shell, like your turtle toy in the bath. Centipede. Look at that centipede. So many little legs to wiggle, just like your fingers doing a silly dance. Scorpion. Whoa, a scorpion toy. It has a stinging tail, like your crayon pointing in the air. Newt. This is a newt. It lives on land and swims in water, just like your toy boat in the tub. Salamander. A sneaky salamander toy. It hides under rocks, just like your teddy under the blanket. Monitor lizard. Whoa, a monitor lizard. Big, long, and strong, like your toy train on the tracks. Horned lizard. A lizard with tiny horns. It looks just like a dragon from your favorite storybook. Gila monster. Look at that Gila monster. It's got bumpy, lumpy skin, like your building blocks all stacked up. Komodo dragon. A giant Komodo dragon. It flicks its long tongue, just like you licking your ice cream. Iguana. Here's an iguana. It loves basking in the warm sun, like you snuggled in your cozy blanket.
Is skink? Check out this skink toy. It can drop its tail and run, like you dropping a toy and giggling away. Cayman! A little cayman. It swims through rivers, like your rubber ducky at bath time. Tree frog. A green tree frog. It climbs with sticky toes, just like your hands on jelly. Box turtle. This is a box turtle. It hides inside its shell, like you playing hide and seek. An old look and an old lizard. It changes color and puffs its chin, like you blowing bubbles with your cheeks. Boa constrictor, a big boa snake. It gives tight squeezes, just like your giant bear hugs. Garter snake. A little garter snake. It hides in the grass, like your toy car under the couch. Bearded dragon. This is a bearded dragon. It puffs out its beard, just like you puffing out your cheeks. Green basilisk. A green basilisk. It runs across water, like magic from your bedtime story. Glass lizard. Look closely. It seems like a snake, but it's really a legless lizard, like a tricky surprise in your puzzle. Fire salamander. This is a fire salamander. It has bright yellow spots, just like the dots on your pajamas. Leaf-tailed gecko. Wow! A leaf-tailed gecko! It looks just like a leaf, like hiding in your picture book.
Do you know when you click on subscribe, I get cat food? Watch this.